What's up, foodie friends? We have a super easy chicken dinner tonight. This French onion chicken bake comes together in under 30 minutes. Season 2 chicken cutlets. Melt some Kerrygold butter in a pan and saute some fresh onions and mushrooms. Once they're ready, place them in a bowl and set them on the side. Add some avocado oil to your cast iron skillet and get ready to cook up your cutlets. Cook your chicken cutlets for 5 minutes on each side. Add your mushrooms and your onions back into the skillet with the chicken and 1 cup of bone broth. And then add in your can of Campbell's French onion soup. Now place your slices of mozzarella cheese right on top. Now pop this baby right into the oven for 15 minutes. Let the cheese get golden and crispy on top. Now ready for dinner. This chicken is so juicy and delicious, you're gonna love it. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe before you go.